right here. It's this right here. That's bent down.
Oh yeah, that piece.
Look at that shit.
Hitch piece. So
that's awesome. Not crazy expensive, but
it should be all right.
yeah, we can get that replaced.
It's already pretty rusted out anyways too. Hey, job number 2. Or 3 actually for this vlog.
Today is not 4th of July, but today
got concrete stuck in the truck bed.
Fucking God.
Who did that?
It's gonna be interesting.
Who left concrete in the truck bed?
Whoever put the wheelbarrow in.
I think it was good.
It was not me, I remember.
You remember?
The one that brought it up.
I don't know if it was me. I'm pretty sure it was good.
Well, I have like fertilizer. It's called Bond Food.
You can't even use them now. Look at the fucking board.
Wow.
Why is there concrete in the fucking bucket?
Concrete stuck in the board?
It's definitely good.
It was not me, bro. It was like one of y'all. I would not have done that.
I personally don't think it was me. I think I would have probably noticed if there was some wet cement left in that bucket. Not wet anymore. That's for sure. That's solid.
No, I was thinking we take these boards out and we throw them away.
Some of them are really good though.
I don't give a shit. They're annoying.
Still use them. You're driving this week.
Sure.
You'll wipe off the shoes before you get on the skid.
I was seeing if those marks would go away, and they did.
Got about, what, 6 yards of rock here? 2 yards of topsoil. Huge amount here. It's Asen 10 Brink here, you know, project manager. We are underneath deck right now. It's about 3 to 4 feet high. We're bringing in big wheelbarrows full of topsoil. We're getting our skid steer, dropping them off in those, and we're taking them up under here, getting this all dropped off, getting all the edges back here as high as possible so it slopes down away from the house. And we're basically just grading all this topsoil around, trying to get it all covered, get all the real deep spots filled up and even. And then we're gonna come back down here, fill it up with a bunch of rock, and make it look all pretty. And that's what's going on. Real nice and cool down here. Hot and sweaty. I can feel the dirt inside of my jeans.
Beautiful review. Nice massive review for the mulch and patio we did in that first ever vlog we had. Are you good?
Yes, sir.
Show you guys how to respond to this. As much as a 5-star review is important, the next step that's even more important is how you respond. So here's the sauce. Go to ChatGPT, type in right here as you see, make an AI and SEO optimized response, add the screenshot of the review, just messed it up, send that. It's gonna give you your AI and SEO optimized response. Mine's already got my name and shit in there, so you'd have to make that change, but
Oh, we're back. All right. Hey, Ace and Demerick here. I might be a little bit sweaty, maybe a tad bit damp, just by the looks of me. But so is Gideon behind this camera. We both are. Just got the topsoil done, and we're about, I'd say, 20% done with this rock.
Yeah.
Got
20%.
6 yards of it to put under this 3-foot deck that we're crawling under.
Might have got a little extra.
Yeah, we might have gotten a bit extra. But
Let's see. How big is that pile?
fuck, huge.
Still?
I haven't checked. I'll ask Dom when he gets back. But it's not very nice out here, as well say. And as soon as you come out from under the deck, you get hit by the blaring sun. So, you know, no matter what, you're either sweating under the deck or you're sweating outside.
Yeah.
That's what it is. All right, guys. So we got a Frozone cosplayer here today on the job site. So this guy.
shit.
I don't know if you guys see, but there's quite a resemblance to him and a certain Incredibles character.
And we got Bob the Builder here.
Where's my tool belt and my hammer?
That one wasn't too funny.
Yeah, you might have to cut that out.
Man, he went back, he got a new truck. Got the shorts on, he's ready to go home. That's how I'm feeling with this rock pile. It's looking pretty slim.
Back under. Full seating. A little bit of some seating going on.
Gotta get that corn salt.
How's it going, Ace?
Good. Quite the process. Very easy. Some water and a brush.
Wrap this one up. There it is.
But yeah.
How do you think it's looking?
3-foot deck. You know, crawling under there all day. Had to put in 2 yards of topsoil, 6 yards of rock on top. Get it all evened out, make sure it's sloping away from the house. Can't have any drainage issues. Make sure this is nice and easy. It looks pretty damn beautiful. Looks a lot better than it did.
Yeah, this one was unique compared to usual.
Yeah, this is an odd job, not something out of the ordinary.
It's been a hot one all day. It's been like 90 degrees all day, straight sun. But we got it done.
But the only positive thing about today is that when you're under here, you're not in the sun.
Yeah.
You're in the shade.
Yeah, I was on the skid steer all day, tearing up the ground. Which,
We
by
had
the
a
way,
guy on the skid, 2
blew
guys
it off,
under the deck.
blew it off, seated. So it should be all good. Got a quote for the neighbor set up too. So
Yeah, neighbor was just so impressed with the skills he had to get over there.
yeah,
He wanted to
the
know
rock
what's up.
fits. But good project, good week. Got the whole week filmed on one vlog this time.
Much
all
better
3
week.
projects. short week because it's 4th of July tomorrow, so we're gonna do a fireworks show.
Yeah,
Might
but tonight we're doing
get some
fireworks.
clips of that tonight, right?
We're doing it a day early. All right. So fireworks are gonna be tonight, not 4th of July.
Yeah.
The day before.
We'll do something on the 4th too, right?
Yeah, a couple grand tonight on the fireworks. Maybe a couple $100 tomorrow.
Oh my God.
We'll see.
Paying me in crypto too, right?
Yep.
Uncle Gib.
All right, Gib. End of the job. How you feeling? Yeah, me and Gib took the hose and did a little mist session. Good.
Should have seen him do like 4. He's like soaking
Gib
wet.
doesn't even want to make eye contact with the camera.
Might as well just hold up a sign asking for change.
Was this an NPC steering? What the?
This is gonna be a great YouTube short. Another 5K views.
Guys, I think Gib wants to go home, take a shower, eat, and get
Send me
ready
my
for
money on
fireworks.
crypto. Get ready for fireworks.
I won't be there till like
Admission
Yeah.
9.
Dude, fireworks don't start. Well, I mean, it's not gonna get dark till 10.
till 10.
At least.
It's fucking summer, man.
It started at like 10:30.
When are we going?
Y'all can come over like 9 or whenever.
Everybody's coming at 7.
Okay, you guys can come then and we can just get food or do something. And then we'll just fucking do fireworks.